Scoular is a 128-year-old company headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. We focus on creating supply chain solutions for feed and food customers worldwide. We serve grain customers from farmers to processors, manufacturers of wheat, barley, animal feed, aqua feed, and pet food. The company operates out of more than 100 facilities throughout North America and Asia. We have 5 in Idaho, where we supply the dairy industry with a broad set of feed ingredients, blending, and risk management services. And we also work hard to help the Idaho producer market their grain crops throughout North America and export channels. In terms of employment within the state, we directly employ about 50 people, employees of the company, but we also directly employ 50 full-time employees through full-time exclusive service contracts. We decided to invest and grow the company around this project in Idaho, first and foremost because we're here. I just talked a little bit about our company's presence here, and Idaho has top-notch crop producers recognized throughout the country and throughout the world. Secondly, our entire ag system in Idaho is well known for its premier dairy, beef, and aquaculture industries, and a lot of other food processing. The third thing that's really established in the state is our food processing infrastructure, where we have the right skilled labor that know how to handle the equipment that we're going to be using, that know the food safety standards and the occupational safety standards that we require. One of the key factors is the partnership approach that the state, county, and city governments take in approaching business and attracting new investment. I can't name all the individuals in the departments, but in particular with this new investment, the Departments of Agriculture, Commerce, DEQ, and Labor have worked with us to bring success for everybody, for the community and for the company. And this is a really unique dynamic in how they work together, which we've noticed working in other parts of the country. They work in tandem internally as government entities as opposed to working against each other. And that's really helped create some efficiency in working through some of the permitting process, the environmental quality aspects of the project. And that's really important to us. That's the right kind of support that helps us all focus on the end goal, which is establishing a successful business as we evaluate new investments. We fully expect and foresee growing our existing businesses. And part of the reason is because of that robust nature of the industry here. But also Idaho is on the cutting edge in many of the industries, whereas in other parts of the country, those industries are well established and I don't want to say growing old, but maturing. There's a lot of innovation here. And as a company, we continue to look for opportunities to invest and grow in a lot of places, which does include Idaho because of that innovative approach and the new things that are coming out of agricultural and food supply chains. We're just really excited to see how fast we can grow this, and we do see it growing multiple times over, which is another reason why we picked Idaho, to be honest, because we needed to be in a place where we had that scalability and that support to expand the business as we realize those objectives throughout that through that phase of establishing the business.